Good morning, students. Today we start exercise 3A of decimals. Okay, and the name of chapter is decimals. So first question is convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so our first part is 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 means this is a decimal point and these are called the numbers after decimal. So below decimal point we write 1 and after decimal there are one number, so we write 10 and the decimal has removed. Okay, now this is the conversion of decimal to fraction. Okay, now we have to convert it in the simplest form. How can we convert it in the simplest form? Just look at here. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10 means 4 upon 5 is the simplest form of 0.8. Okay, this is a decimal form. This is the form in the fraction. Our next number is 0.75. 0.75. We write again 0.75 and draw a line, and below this is a decimal point and below decimal point we write 1 and after decimal there are two numbers 7 and 5, so we put 2 zeros and then decimal has been removed. Okay, we write again 75 and okay, so this is the conversion from decimal to fraction. Now we have to convert it in the simplest form. Okay, so 25 3 ja 75 and 25 4 ja is 100. Okay, this is the fraction of 0.75 in the simplest form. Understand? Now just see another example. This is 0.06 and we know very well below decimal point we write 1 and after decimal there are two numbers 0 and 6, so in place of we write 2 zeros, it becomes 100 and decimal point has been removed, it becomes 100. Okay, now this is a fraction part, this is a fractional form of 0.06. This is a decimal form, this is a fractional form. Okay, so we write it again. Now we have to convert it in the simplest form. 2 3 ja and 50. This is the 3 upon 50. Okay, so 3 upon 50 is the simplest form of 0.06. This is the fractional form, this is the decimal form. Again the next example is 0.285. We write here 0.285 and this is a decimal point and below decimal point we write 1 and there are three numbers after decimal 1 0 1 2 3, we put 3 zeros here and decimal has been removed. 285 upon 1000. Okay, now divide it by 5. 5 3 ja 25 and 5 7 ja 35. No, 5 5 not 5 3 ja, we write here, sorry students, 5 have the 25 and 3 is left, then it becomes 35. 5 7 is 35 and 5 2 ja 100. So our answer is in the fraction form is 57 upon 200. This is a decimal form and this is a fractional form, fractional simplest form of 0.285. Now we move to second part, second question. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. Okay, as a mixed fraction. So first of all we have to convert 5.6 in the fraction form. Here is a decimal, below decimal we know very well, we write 1 here and after decimal there is 1 0, we write here 1 0, then decimal has been removed. Okay, in the conversion we never focus on the whole number part. Okay, this is 56. Now convert it in the simplest form. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 1 is left, it becomes 16, 2 8 ja 16, it becomes 28 by 5. Now divide 28 by 5 to convert it in the fractional form. 5 5 ja, no, to convert in the mixed fraction. 5 5 ja 25, 3 is left, so we write our quotient as whole number and here we draw a line, and the remainder we write here, and the divisor we write here. So though this is the mixed fraction of 5.6. Now move to the next example. It is 12.25. First of all, we have to convert it into the fraction. So below decimal point we write 1, and after decimal there are 2 zeros, both 2 numbers, then we write 2 zeros here. Then decimal has been removed. It becomes like this. This is a fraction form. Now we have to convert it into the simplest form. Okay. So 5 4 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, and 25 9 ja is 225. 25 4 ja. So I think this is the conversion. Okay. Now we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. For that purpose, what we do, we have to divide 49 by 4. Okay. 4 1 ja 4, and we write 9 here. 4 2 ja 8. In that case, we find 12 as a quotient. So we write quotient like this. Draw a line. Remainder we write here, and our divisor is 4. We write here. Okay. This is the conversion. Now move to the next part. 6.04. First of all, we have to convert it into the. Now we have to convert it into the fractional form. Okay, like this. It becomes 6004 upon 1000. So we divided by 4. Okay, 4. Now we have to convert it into the simplest form. 4 1 ja 4. Remainder is 2. 4 5 ja 20. 0 is 4 1 ja 4. Okay. Now 4 2 ja 8, and 2 is left, becomes 20. So this is the simplest form of 250. We have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Then what we do, we have to divide it by 250. 250 4 ja 1000, या 256 ja 256 ja, like that. Remainder is 1. So its simplest form is 6 whole 1 upon 250. And this part, dear students, you solve it yourself. Okay, this part you solve it yourself. Now move to part question third. Convert each of the following into decimals. Convert each of the following into decimals. Okay, now here the question is given in the fraction form. We have to convert it into the decimals. Okay, so how can we convert it into the decimals? There is 1 0. We have to divide it. We find the 4.7. Just look at there. 47. 10 4 ja 47. Point. We increase 0 here. It becomes 7 ja. Like that. So our answer is 4.7. Now in this part, we have to convert it directly. Just look at there. There are 3 zeros. 1 2 3, and here is 1. So before 1 2 3, 1 2 3 numbers, we put the decimal, and this part has been removed. Like that, we have to convert the fractional form into decimal form also. And here is 8. We have to divide 25 by 8. 25 3s are 24. 1 is left. Okay, the point, we increase 0. 8 1 ja 8. 2 is left. Again increase 0. 8 2 ja 16. Then 4 is remainder. Again is 40. 8 5s are 40. So this is the decimal form of 25/8. It is a fractional form, and this is the decimal form of 25/8. Now first of all, this question is in the mixed fraction. First of all, we have to convert it into the fraction, simple fraction. 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 2, 52. Okay, I hope all of you know very well how to convert it into the simplest form. Again we divide 25 by, again we divide 52 by 25. 25 2s are 50. Remainder is 2. So the answer is, we put the point, increase 0. So again we see that 20 is less than 25, then we again increase 0, then we put 0 here also. So 25 8 ja 200. Yes students, this is our answer. Okay.